I want to talk to you today about the designer's choice from Tonic Studios. It comes packaged in this cardboard sleeve and a plastic pocket with holes in, so you can put it into a binder. This die set is only available for this month, and it comes in a set of 9 dies. You get an outside edge for this floral panel and an outside edge for this one. Oops, I put that round slightly a bit more. 3 sentiments. These two here come with little panels to mount them onto, and that one there. So I thought that I'd die cut them so you can see what they look like when they're die cut out, because I think it looks better than having a look at when you're just looking at a piece of metal. So this is the panel, and I've die cut it twice. I've cut the panel once and then die cut the layer so I can mat it onto there. So I've done it in burgundy and cream, so it looks nice in burgundy and cream, so they look like that. And then with the other one, it's a nice little circular one, like it comes like that. So I've cut that out twice. I've cut it out so that with the outer edge, so that you get this one and with the detail, and then I've cut out another one, so it's just a mat for it to go onto, and then that can lay on top of there. And also you get 2 little score marks, so you can score those 2 bits there, and you can put it inside your card, outside your card, and if you put it inside, and if you put like this to one side of your card and this to one side, when you open it, it will pop out. It's like this panel, you can cut into your cardstock as well, and you could make it into a box lid. Then with the sentiments you have with love, and I'll cut it twice, with once in the burgundy, once in the cream, and it really looks really nice if you just do a drop shadow on it. So you have that one, and it has a little heart shape in the middle, really cute. And then Celebrate, which is that one, and then Enjoy, which is that one. Now these dies are only available from Tonic Studios and from their website and nowhere else, and they're available for this month only until the middle of next month, and then they bring out a new one. So yeah, if you like the look of them and you'd like to try, be quick, because they do sell quite fast, and once they're gone, they're gone. So that's how they come to you. Hope you enjoyed looking, and if you enjoy the videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.